Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,800. Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide is a classic touring machine that delivers that unmistakable old-school Harley feel. Powered by a dependable Evolution V-twin and built for long-distance comfort, it shows just over 12,700 miles and presents as a well-kept rider that starts easily, runs strong, shifts smoothly, and stops as it should, making it a solid option for anyone looking to enjoy vintage touring. Cosmetically, it shows light wear consistent with its age, including minor paint chips and a small ding on the front fender, but nothing that detracts from its overall appeal. Rather than a showpiece, this is a bike you can ride and enjoy without hesitation. With a clean title in hand and a strong mechanical foundation, it stands out as a great value in the classic Harley touring market. Number 2. 1941 Indian Chief, $35,000. Stillwater, New York. The 1941 Indian Chief is one of the most iconic American motorcycles ever produced, instantly recognizable for its sweeping fenders and classic styling. This example, finished in red, has accumulated 22,500 miles and remains a functional, roadworthy machine that is currently inspected and in use. While there is some uncertainty around the originality of the paint, period-correct variations were not uncommon, especially given Indian's historical flexibility with finishes. Mechanically, the bike is described as fully operational, with everything working as it should. Aside from the speedometer, it runs, rides, and is ready for continued enjoyment on the road, making it more than just a static collector piece. Whether kept as part of a collection or ridden regularly, this Chief offers a rare opportunity to own a true pre-war American icon that still delivers an authentic riding experience. Number 3. 1942 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead E, $65,000. Chillicothe, Ohio. This 1942 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead E is an exceptionally rare wartime model, with only 618 units reportedly produced, making it one of the most sought-after variations among collectors. Finished in black and retaining matching belly numbers, this bike carries significant historical value tied to its limited production during World War II. Beyond its rarity, the motorcycle is described as running and riding, which adds tremendous appeal for collectors who want both authenticity and functionality. With an Ohio title and no trades being considered, this listing clearly targets serious buyers. For those seeking a centerpiece motorcycle with true historical importance, this Knucklehead E stands as a high-value collectible with undeniable prestige. Number 4. 1931 Indian Model 101, $30,000. Mason, Michigan. The 1931 Indian Model 101 is widely regarded as one of the finest handling motorcycles of its time, thanks to its low-slung frame and balanced geometry. Powered by a 750 cubic centimeters engine and paired with a 3-speed handshift transmission, it delivers a truly authentic early motorcycling experience. This particular example has undergone a detailed rebuild with documentation covering nearly every aspect of the restoration process. Although it initially faced running issues after the rebuild, it was later sorted by a specialist and is now operational. Additional correct components, including the proper generator, decals, owner's manual, and starting instructions, are included, enhancing its historical completeness. While it does not have a title, its provenance and documentation add significant value, making it an appealing piece for serious collectors of early American motorcycles. Number 5. 1945 Harley-Davidson WL, $28,000. Oxford, Connecticut. This 1945 Harley-Davidson WL is a classic example of Harley's wartime-era flathead platform powered by the reliable 45 cubic inch engine. Known for its durability and smooth operation, this bike retains matching numbers and continues to run on its original engine, which is a major plus for collectors seeking authenticity. The motorcycle starts easily, typically within 3 kicks, and is described as running and shifting flawlessly, indicating strong mechanical health. Its overall presentation and performance make it more than just a display piece, offering the ability to be ridden and enjoyed. As a well-preserved example of a mid-1940s Harley, this WL captures the essence of vintage American motorcycling with both historical significance and dependable operation. Number 6. 1941 Indian Scout 741B Military, $19,750. Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1941 Indian Scout 741B is a genuine World War II-era military motorcycle produced specifically for U.S. and Allied forces during the Lend-Lease period. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters side-valve V-twin, the 741 series was designed for reliability and ease of maintenance in demanding conditions. This example retains key military features, including correct serial formats and authentic inspection markings, making it a historically significant machine. The bike is described as running and driving, which adds tremendous value for a military-spec motorcycle of this age. With both engine and frame numbers present and documented military markings, it stands as a strong candidate for collectors interested in wartime history. Sold with a bill of sale, this Scout offers a rare opportunity to own a functional piece of World War II motorcycle heritage. Number 7. 1981 BMW R65 Cafe Racer, $6,750. Provo, Utah. This 1981 BMW R65 has been transformed from a long-toured barn find into a fully rebuilt custom cafe racer, blending German engineering with modern upgrades and handcrafted details. Powered by a 650 cubic centimeters boxer twin, the bike underwent a complete restoration with the frames sandblasted and powder-coated, while internal components, wiring, and hardware were replaced using genuine BMW-sourced parts. The build features premium upgrades including Caso gauges, Moto Gadget lighting, Woodward handlebars, and progressive rear shocks, along with brand new Avon Road Rider tires. With its clean, minimalist design and fully refreshed mechanicals, this R65 offers both reliability and standout style. It is a unique, ready-to-ride custom that combines vintage character with modern performance. Number 8. 1947 Indian Chief, $23,999. Delhi, New York. This 1947 Indian Chief continues the legacy of one of America's most recognizable motorcycles, known for its flowing fenders and commanding presence. Finished in black and featuring matching numbers, this example maintains a strong level of authenticity while benefiting from a freshly rebuilt engine. With good paperwork and a solid mechanical foundation, it offers both collector appeal and practical usability. The fresh motor ensures improved reliability, making it more than just a display piece. Whether added to a vintage collection or taken out for regular rides, this Chief delivers classic American style with dependable performance. Number 9. 1951 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $17,500. Oakdale, Pennsylvania. This 1951 Harley-Davidson Panhead is a classic example of early 1950s American motorcycling, featuring an original frame and engine paired with a mix of period-correct components. The Panhead engine is known for its durability and smooth power delivery, making it a favorite among vintage Harley enthusiasts. The bike runs and rides as it should, offering a functional and engaging riding experience. It is equipped with a rocker clutch and jockey shift setup, adding to its old-school character and requiring a more involved riding style. For those seeking an authentic, hands-on vintage Harley experience, this Panhead delivers both mechanical charm and strong road presence. Number 10. 1944 Indian 741, $16,000. Wappingers Falls, New York. This 1944 Indian 741 is presented in parade dress with a focus on preservation and usability. The bike underwent a restoration in 2016 using original parts wherever possible, maintaining its historical integrity while ensuring mechanical reliability. Recent work includes new pistons and rings, along with a rebuilt transmission and primary components using new internal parts. While some hardware may not be entirely correct and minor updates like a tail light were added for safety, the bike remains a strong running machine. With a complete and correct Corbin speedometer and solid mechanical condition, this Indian 741 offers a unique blend of history, restoration, and rideability. Number 11. 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead, replica build, $18,000. Asbury Park, New Jersey. This Panhead replica build delivers the iconic post-war Harley look with modernized internals, making it an appealing option for riders who want vintage style without constant mechanical issues. Built using SNS cases and STD heads paired with V-twin internals, this machine has undergone a comprehensive top-to-bottom refresh, including crank bearings, cam bearings, pistons, and a full gasket set. The 4-speed transmission and enclosed belt drive setup offer smoother operation while maintaining classic Harley character. The bike is described as a strong and reliable runner, with a long list of replaced components. While not a factory original panhead, it is a well-built tribute capturing late 1940s Harley engineering with improved dependability. Number 12. 1942 Indian Scout, $32,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1942 Indian Scout stands out as a rare civilian-era example produced during a highly limited window as production shifted toward wartime efforts. It features correct period styling, trim, and accessories, along with a professionally restored engine and transmission. A key highlight is the use of rare Indian monoplane cylinders, increasing displacement and improving performance. With fewer than 200 miles on the rebuilt engine and careful storage in a controlled environment, this Scout offers both authenticity and mechanical freshness. It is suitable for collectors, YMCA judging, or curated collections. Number 13. 1971 Harley-Davidson FLH, $8,000, Livonia, Michigan. This 1971 FLH Electra Glide represents a classic touring Harley combining big V-twin power with long-distance comfort. The bike is described as running and riding exceptionally well, supported by recent maintenance including new tires, brakes, starter, windshield, and battery completed in 2025. These updates make it a ready-to-ride vintage cruiser. Early 1970s FLH models remain highly desirable for their usability and classic styling, and this example maintains that balance well. Number 14. 1972 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $8,500, St. Clair, Michigan. This 1972 Shovelhead is a clean, numbers-matching example that has undergone extensive cosmetic and mechanical refreshing. It features new tires, chrome components, powder coating, and fresh paint. Strong compression and fully functional systems indicate it is built to be ridden. As a Kickstart FX model, it retains the raw mechanical feel classic Harley enthusiasts appreciate, making it a solid mid-range collectible. Number 15. 1976 Harley-Davidson FX, $6,500, Reliance, Tennessee. This 1976 FX Super Glide is a well-preserved original paint motorcycle that sat since 2005 before being revived with a rebuilt carburetor and new battery. It starts reliably and runs well. Notably, it was converted to electric start in the 1980s, adding convenience. Original parts are included, offering flexibility for restoration or customization. It represents an accessible vintage Harley with strong usability and classic appeal.